Hello everyone. Dear students, today I will talk about another poem from your book Honeydew. It is Macavity the Mystery Cat. It is written by T.S. Eliot. In this poem, T.S. Eliot admires the clever and witty nature of cats. He talks about the swiftness of cats. Cats are really very clever and cunning. They always commit crime but never comes in the grip of anyone. Macavity is the name of the cat here. This cat is also very witty, very intelligent, and very clever. It commits crime but suddenly disappears from the scene of crime and nobody is able to catch it. Even the police has failed in front of the cleverness of Macavity. It throws a challenge to all the flying squads, police force in Scotland, in New York, but no one is able to catch it. It is always able to escape from the scene of crime. Let's see how the poem describes it. Before coming to the poem, let's know something about its poet, T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot's full name was Thomas Stearns Eliot. He was born in 1888 and he died in 1965. He was a playwright, literary critic, and arguably the most important English language poet of the 20th century. Although he was born an American, he moved to the United Kingdom and was naturalized as a British subject at the age of 39. Dear students, playwright is the one who writes plays or drama. The poem that made his name, The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, is regarded as a masterpiece of the modernist movement. He followed this with what have become some of the best known poems in English language, including Gerontion, The Wasteland, The Hollow Men, Ash Wednesday, Four Quartets, etc. He is also known for his 7 plays, particularly Murder in the Cathedral, which was published in 1935. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1948. Let's know something about the poem now. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. The poet here says that Macavity, the cat, is mysterious cat. It is like a hidden paw. It is never seen. It always remains hidden. It commits crime, big crimes, but even the police has failed to catch it. It disobeys all the laws made by human beings. Defy means to disobey, to resist. But it always remains hidden. It never comes in the grip of the police. It defies all the laws. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So Macavity, as I told you, is very clever. It has become a bafflement for the Scotland police. Bafflement means total confusion. The police is in confusion how to catch the cat. The flying squad is also very sad as it has failed many times to catch Macavity, the mystery cat. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Even the flying squad is a team of police or maybe soldiers which remains always ready to take action or to move into action. Even the flying squad, when it reaches the scene of the crime, the Macavity is always missing. It never comes in the grip of neither the police nor the flying squad. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. Macavity is very skillful, very much expert in committing crimes. Macavity is unmatched. Nobody is like Macavity. So Macavity has broken every human law, every rule made by the human beings. It has also broken the law of gravity. Dear children, you must be knowing about the gravitation, about the law of gravity. Law of gravity means that the earth has a gravitational pull or the power to attract everything towards itself. We will always fall down towards the earth if we try to fly in the air. But Macavity has a supernatural power. It flies in the air. It has that way defied the law of gravity also. It has broken the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Its power of levitation. Power of levitation again refers to its power, its skill of flying in the air. It can fly in the air, and even the saints and sages or fakirs, they feel surprised and shocked to see this power of levitation of Macavity. Scene of crime, Macavity is always missing. It commits the crime and then suddenly disappears. Nobody is able to catch it. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. So the poet says that you can search for Macavity everywhere, in the basement, or you can look up in the air. Everywhere you can search for it, but Macavity will not be seen anywhere. Everybody has failed to find out Macavity. A poet says that he is very sure that nobody will be able to catch Macavity. It is always missing from the scene of crime. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. So Macavity is a ginger cat. Ginger means very cautious and very alert, very much clever cat. It looks tall and very thin. You would know him if you saw him. If you are able to see Macavity, the poet says, you will see that its eyes are sunken in, deeply set in eyes, sunken eyes, right? His brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed, his coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed. The poet says that Macavity's eyebrow, is always lined with thought. It seems as if Macavity is always thinking something, planning something, lost in thought. And his head is highly domed. His head looks like the shape of the dome. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Coat means fur. Macavity does not take care of himself. His coat or his fur looks always dusty, that means full of dirt and dust. His whiskers are also uncombed. His whiskers also do not look good. He does not take care of his whiskers. Whiskers are the long hair on his face, as you can see in the picture, the hair on the both sides of his nose. These are called whiskers. That way Macavity is a careless cat. He does not take very good care of himself. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Another feature of Macavity comes to the fore here. The poet says that it moves its head from side to side. Sways means to move. His movements like a snake, just like that of a snake. The way a snake makes movement of its head from side to side, Macavity also moves its head from side to side and always remains cautious and alert. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. It is very clever. It pretends to sleep, but it is always wide awake. People may think that Macavity is sleeping, but it is always wide awake. It is half asleep. That means it always remains alert. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. The poet here says that there is no one like Macavity. Macavity's alertness, cleverness, sharpness, swiftness cannot be matched to anyone else. It is that clever and witty and intelligent. For he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. Poet says that it is a fiend. Fiend means devil, demon, in the shape of a cat. It is a monster, another word for devil or giant, who is always committing some crime, who is involved in corruption. Depravity means moral corruption. So it is involved in all the bad activities, but is never to be caught. All have failed to catch it. It is a devil, a monster in the shape of cat. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. The poet says Otherwise you may see McCavity everywhere, in the streets, in the square, on the road, everywhere. But when some crime is discovered, when somebody comes to know about its crime, then McCavity is always missing. It quickly disappears from the scene of crime. It is that cunning and clever. So nobody is able to catch McCavity, the clever and cunning cat. So this is all about McCavity, the mystery cat. Of course, McCavity is a mystery cat. It remains always hidden. Nobody is able to find it out. This is why it is called a mystery cat. Dear children, there are certain exercises also given at the end of the poem in your book. Go through the questions, try to solve the questions. If you find any problem, you can always discuss with me.